ask is that you guys don't speculate about what it is that's filming here, and if you do, make sure you send me your guesses so I can judge them. No, I'm kidding. Oh, look at that cool set-piece subway car up ahead. That's very cool. All right. So as you can see, this is set in San Francisco, which kind of gives you a little bit of a hint as to what it is that's going on in here. This is actually one of the only two-story sound stages on the lot right now. The reason they built it this way is there's actually a street scene above us, so they can film the actors coming down the stairs from the... Whoa! Was that a little earthquake that we just had? That's okay. It happens all the time here. Uh-oh. Here we go.